Planets so scary that even scientists walk away from them. What are these planets and what makes them terrifying? Hey guys, it's Aaron here behind the mic. I will start with Wasp 12b. This planet is about 1,400 light years away from Earth. It is about 1.8 times the size of Jupiter, so it's a huge planet. Its year is just over a day on Earth. It is classified as a hot Jupiter with low density. Now, let's talk about the fact that scared a lot of people. The planet absorbs about 94% of incoming light, so it appears pitch black. A pitch black, dark planet. Why is it so dark? It was suggested that clouds and alkali metals absorb light, but Wasp 12b is too hot to have those to form. Instead, light penetrates deep into the planet, through the atmosphere, and is absorbed by hydrogen atoms and turned into energy. A very incredible process. Now the planet is very dark, but it does emit some light to some degree. Think about the outer edge of, or the border of a planet to be glowing a faint red color, kind of like molten metal. Is that it? That's what was scary? It being a dark planet? Well, yeah, it is quite spooky, but there's more. Wasp 12b is so close to its star that the star's tidal forces distort the planet into an egg shape. This makes the planet a one-of-a-kind, very mysterious and unique. Not to mention the surface temperature is over 2,200 degrees Celsius. A living hell. Wasp 12b was actually spotted being consumed by its star in 2010, but not fully. It's still intact. It's been estimated that the planet has about 10 million years left to live before the star completely consumes the planet and rips it apart. Now, some studies show that Wasp 12b has a lot of carbon and can be even a diamond planet. But how can this be the case if it is a hot Jupiter? Full of gas. Well, imagine this for a second. Imagine a diamond planet the size of around Neptune, with the rest of the size being gases, surrounding the planet fully and making it look like a gas planet. This is so mysterious and crazy that scientists are still trying to figure out more about this planet and what this planet has hiding from us, as if it doesn't have enough insane facts. Next up on the list, 51 Pegasi B. This is a special planet because it was the first exoplanet ever discovered orbiting a star. It is a gas giant 50% larger than Jupiter and is closer to its star than Mercury is to the Sun. That's extremely close, and you can probably guess that this planet is burning hot. Temperatures are around 1,000 degrees Celsius. What makes this planet terrifying is the weather. It has an extremely windy atmosphere. As you've probably heard before, hot air rises and cool air falls. But when the cool air rushes down on this planet, it creates winds that go up to 1,000 kilometers per hour. Talk about fast. Now, I say cool air, but when you compare it to the weather on Earth, it's not cool. 1,000 kilometers per hour, that is almost as fast as the speed of sound. Those winds will tear everything apart. Luckily, we don't have any of those winds strong as that here on Earth. In addition, iron vapor clouds form. Iron vapor clouds. Think of water forming clouds on Earth, right? But with iron instead. Crazy stuff. When it rains molten iron on the surface of the planet, burning and melting anything in its way. Not so pleasant, is it? Number 3 on the list, Karat Exo 3b. This planet is the same size as Jupiter, but 22 times its mass. That density is so high, scientists can't even wrap their head around it. The pressure on Jupiter was bad enough, but on this planet, it's unbeatable. Imagine standing on the ground, okay? Maybe just you're on a horse. Just imagine you're in an open field, standing nice and tall. Then a fully grown elephant just lands on you from the sky. That is the amount of pressure and stress your body will feel if you land on this planet. About 50 times your weight. If you're 100 pounds on Earth, you'll weigh 5,000 pounds on Karat Exo 3B. No way your body can handle all that weight. You'll be instantly crushed, flat onto the surface. Again, pleasant. Is this the most massive planet? Maybe. It's so massive that there are arguments on whether or not Karat Exo 3B is a planet or a brown dwarf. That's how insane this thing is. Last but not least, number 4, Gliese 436b. About Neptune size and around 440 degrees Celsius, this temperature can easily vaporize water. Anyone can realize that. But the thing is, the water doesn't really change. It can even be ice, hot ice, burning ice. Wait, hold on. How in the world can water stay water or water stay ice on a planet 400 degrees Celsius? Well, it doesn't happen in our world, but it happens there. It does so due to the extreme gravity and high pressures. The compound structure is different. It's more crystalline, denser. In June of 2015, scientists saw a long tail, comet-like tail from the planet. The atmosphere was evaporating, made giant gas clouds, and the process of radiation from the host star made a comet-like tail. Not so scary, this one, but more majestic. But here's a mystery. Due to the extremely high temperatures, carbon monoxide should not be there, but it is. Now, to any normal person, this wouldn't be scary, but to scientists, it is. Also, let's go talk about the water again. How can water stay ice and water stay water on that planet? Well, listen to this. Hot temperatures make water molecules spread apart because there's more energy, more movement, and so it's less compact. But the immense gravity and pressures keeps the molecules together. That's the beauty of it. But it's also scary that it seems like the chemistry is different on that planet, but it isn't. So, solid ice and 400 degrees Celsius weather. Yep, it makes no sense here on Earth, but it can make perfect sense when you actually go there and experience it yourself. And that's a wrap, guys. The top 4 scariest planets. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Be sure to stick around this channel for more space topics and very, very interesting astronomy videos. And I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Take it easy.